Watch your mouth. I'm talking about Leo. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Sharky. Good job. Mitch joins us on the Tech TV Next Cam Network from Faribault, Michigan. Hello, Mitch.
Hey, Leo.
Hi, is it Faribault or Faribault?
Faribault.
Faribault. I said it in the French way, and I was right. What can we do for you?
Well, I was wondering, how do I set up a router with Linux Slackware?
You want to do a router on your Linux box?
Yeah.
And what are the things that you want to do? You want to do proxy serving, NAT routing, is that kind of thing? IP masquerading, we used to call it. Is that what you want to do? Yeah. It's actually very simple. Huh?
I want to do it with my cable modem.
Yeah. It's very simple. In fact, most Linux is set up with the technology, the software you need to do it. First thing I'd suggest doing is go to the Linux Documentation Project, which is linuxdoc.org, and looking at the IP chains how-to. Okay, in fact, there's quite a few that'll talk about it. But if you go to the IP chains how-to, that's the program most people use to do NAT and to do a firewall in Linux. And it comes with which distribution of Linux are you using?
Slackware.
All right. Slackware, I don't know if it comes with IP chains or not, but I bet you it does. It's become kind of the standard. This will talk all about it. There was an older program called IPFWADM that a lot of distros used. Slackware might still be using it, but I doubt it. Basically, I'm going to go to Linux right now, if I can, and show you, if I can find it, there it is, and show you what you're basically going to do. In fact, this is Mandrake. It comes with a script for firewalling. It's a very simple script that just launches basically IP chains. What you would do is you would put that script in your run command file. If you want to put it, if you're using KDM or XDM to launch X Windows, you'd probably want to use it rc.init. Otherwise, you'd put it in your rc local, which these rc are the run command scripts. They're kind of like autoexec.bat in Windows. And this is the rc script on my system. You just put a command in here to invoke the firewall script, or put the IP chains commands in there. They'll get run every time your system runs, and it'll automatically set it up. You'll have to know, though, and the reason I said look at the how-to is you'll have to know what IP chains commands to use, what to do for the forwarding and so forth. There's a proxy server called Squid, and you can read the Squid how-to, but IP chains is really what most people use. And this is for firewalling and for sharing internet access through a Linux box. There's also a great, and I'll put a link in the show notes for this, Linux router project, which is designed to create a Linux router on a floppy. So you can do it in a hard driveless old 486 and make that be kind of like your Linksys broadband router. Make it a cheap, poor man's Linksys broadband router out of an old PC and a floppy disk. I'll put the details in the show notes. If you don't get the show notes, go to the website, thescreensavers.com, and subscribe. It's an email we send out after each and every show with information that we talk about on the show. And I'm going to have a lot of links. We have an article on thescreensavers.com about this. I'll set you up so you can do it yourself. I know that was very quick, but that's the basic idea. Coming up, indie rocker chicks. They're taking back the